If you drive an older Toyota Avensis T250, you know that tired, cracked gear boot is probably the first thing that screams old car. This tiny replacement claims to not just look better, but actually improve your shifting experience. That's a big claim for a simple piece of leather. Let's talk about the fit first. This is specifically designed for the Avensis T250 Mk2 from 2003 to 2009. Installation is surprisingly straightforward, which is great because nobody wants a weekend project just to replace a dust cover. Once it's in, the immediate visual difference is huge. It instantly cleans up the center console, restoring that factory-fresh look that time and sun exposure have long since stolen. And for maintenance, they promise it's a breeze, just water cleaning, which means keeping that leather look fresh shouldn't be a chore, making it truly reusable. Now here's where the marketing gets interesting. They suggest this cover helps with timely response to road conditions and smooth switching to avoid setbacks. Wait, how does a dust cover do that? Well, realistically, the cover itself doesn't change the transmission mechanics. But what a fresh, properly fitted gator asterisk does asterisk do is ensure the shift lever moves cleanly without snagging on old, stiff, or torn material. A smooth, unrestricted movement path allows the driver to feel the gate selection more accurately, leading to quicker, more confident gear changes. It's a subtle psychological and tactile improvement, not a mechanical overhaul, but it absolutely contributes to a better driving feel by ensuring the vehicle gear switching is realized without unnecessary friction. This product is essentially a high-quality replacement for a critical, yet often overlooked, interior component. It fulfills its primary role as a transmission dust cover perfectly, protecting the mechanism below and controlling the power transmission path by facilitating correct gear selection. If you're looking to refresh your Avensis interior and restore that factory-fresh tactile feedback to your manual transmission, this is a surprisingly effective, low-cost solution. Overall, while it won't magically turn your car into a race machine, this gear boot cover delivers on its promise of aesthetic renewal and provides a genuinely smoother, more satisfying shift action simply by removing old friction. It's a definite win for T250 owners.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.